Withdrawing money from your Chase bank account to another bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open a Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers option in the main menu. Click on it to access the transfer options available for your account. Step 3. Select Transfer Type. Choose the option for transferring money to another bank account. This may be labeled as external transfer or transfer to another bank. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Input the required information, including the amount you wish to withdraw and the details of the external bank account you are transferring to. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the transfer request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is being processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your external bank account. Always check your account statements to confirm the transfer has been completed successfully.